A signature feature of ATLNext is the addition of two giant canopies at the north and south entrances of the domestic terminal. These canopies will provide a dramatic entrance to the terminal while protecting guests from wind, rain, and snow. These canopies are massive, totaling the length of 3 football fields and requiring 3,500 tons of steel. That's enough steel to equal the weight of 9 Boeing 777s. They also will improve traffic flow by housing elevated walkways between the parking decks and the domestic terminal. As a bonus, the canopies will illuminate at night. And with more than 3,500 LED fixtures, the canopies' lights will change colors to commemorate holidays and special events. The domestic terminal is also getting a facelift. Under ATLNext, we will upgrade the vestibule entrances with sloping skylights, and inside the terminal, we will replace solid walls with panoramic windows. In the atrium area, we will incorporate trees with a park-like design that features new seating, tables, planters, and benches. We will also add new charging stations and make other technology upgrades. Revamping the domestic terminal will enhance the customer experience while boosting the facility's aesthetic appeal, ensuring Atlanta has a 21st century airport for a 21st century city. Hartsfield-Jackson is roughly 6.8 million square feet, housing 2 terminals and 7 concourses. Under ATLNext, many of the concourses will be modernized, with renovated ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows in the hold rooms. The renovated gate areas will also have new lighting and carpet. To accommodate future growth, Hartsfield-Jackson will build a new Concourse G that will be connected to the international terminal. It will house 10 gates. In addition, the airport will extend Concourse T with 5 gates. These new gates will help us accommodate more passengers and even more airlines. To continue that upward trajectory, we are planning upgrades and enhancements to our airfield. Our last runway, the 5th runway, was completed in 2006 and has significantly increased arrival capacity. To ensure efficiency while providing world-class customer service in the coming years, Hartsfield-Jackson will add a 6th runway, create 2 new in-round taxiways, and make other improvements on the airfield. Parking is an important service for our guests and an important source of revenue for the airport. Increasing demand, combined with deteriorating conditions of our facilities, requires us to rebuild our north and south parking decks. We'll even add an ATL West parking facility. As part of ATLNext, we will usher in the airport's first on-site hotel. The 4-star, 440-room hotel will contain 80,000 square feet of meeting space and an additional 60,000 square feet of Class A office space. It will be located just steps from the domestic terminal, connected by new modern plaza. The hotel is expected to add a new dimension to Hartsfield-Jackson, spurring economic opportunity and greater connectivity at the airport. And the development will play a key role in Metropolis Atlanta, an area on the south side of Metro Atlanta surrounding the airport that is envisioned to become a world-class business and residential district. While often unnoticed by passengers, the airport's support facilities are critical to daily operations. Hartsfield-Jackson's fire stations provide life safety services and are essential for maintaining the airport's operating certificates. Under ATLNext, we will continue to renew and replace these facilities. For instance, Fire Station 40 will be replaced with a new LEED certified facility, underscoring the airport's commitment to sustainability. These improvements and more are underway at the world's busiest and most efficient airport. Watch as we build for the future.